I am Yariknis and Prasanna Kumar and Vijay. We are doing a case study on the subject Smart Hospital Management Systems based on Internet of Things. And we discuss the challenges and intelligent solutions and functional requirements for this. Introduction. Internet of Things is becoming one of the important topics in the information technology IT field. It is planned to transfer the real world objects into virtual objects. It is intended to give the world not only the control of things but also the learn of status of things. This is clear from the many disciplines using IoT such as education, industry, agriculture, healthcare, and so on. Since a special focus is being directed to introduction of electronic technologies, communication tech devices in different sectors. Nowadays, the introduction of information technologies become widely spread in the healthcare field. For an example, personal reading sensors. They use the IoT technology to transfer the vital readings of the patients to an external place if needed. The reading of these sensors are to trace the patient till an extraordinary reading is being detected and an external intervention is needed. The architecture proposed to use a Bluetooth Low Energy as the way of communication for the healthcare IoT. Accordingly, the physicians can access the patient's live data whenever they are needed for critical patients. Let's see the problems on the topic. Bring your own device. The author acknowledged the different problems that could be faced any hospital management system. He discussed the problems such as connectivity, bring your own device, management, storage, and security as problems that can be faced. However, the present solution used the IoT gateway to solve these problems by connecting old communication networks with sensors and networks. It can also handle the arriving data while taking into consideration the bandwidth can manage device with the appropriate protocol conversion. Well, the security and privacy. Subsequently, some researchers started to investigate the issue of security and data privacy for the medical division. For instance, who collected and presented a framework for security requirements of the IoT, then applied them specifically to the smart healthcare services. They focused on certain security features such as access control, integrity, authentication, confidentiality, network and system security. This diagram shows the security analysis layer. There are three layers: threat monitoring, threat analysis, threat countermeasure. Threat monitoring is nothing but the monitoring the threats which are being in the IoT devices. Threat analysis is how the threat affects the system, and threat countermeasures is for the countermeasures that are given to threat what's happening. Proposed solutions. The following sections give the real solution proposed for using the technology IoT in the healthcare sector. They found out the most research on the use of IoT in the medical services area by focusing a few constraints that are based on the context or investigating specific domains for specific healthcare needs. Moreover, a new technological system which is called Cyber Physical System (CPS) has been proposed. It's the CPS workflow cycle. First, human intelligent machine, cyber, healthcare management, and connect through wireless network. It's the CPS workflow cycle.
Hi, this is VV Prasanna Kumar. On the topic Smart Hospital Management System, there are a lot of proposed solutions are there. The importance of analyzing health data is not only to increase the quality of patient care, but also to decrease the cost of healthcare usage. Since the Internet of Things devices are producing a huge amount of data and transferring them to the cloud computing for storage and analysis, then this will delay the development of healthcare services that relies on time. According to the authors, presented a framework that collected health data from different wired wireless sensors and transmitted them to a secure edge of time things. This architecture of the proposed EOT framework. Its importance does not only lie in transferring data, but it also has the capabilities of real-time analytics services. This layer does a partial real-time analysis on the biosignal data to determine abnormal ones. This is the architecture of EOT framework. Additionally, the significant objectives of the healthcare systems are to have a low cost along with high efficiency and easy accessibility healthcare services. A cognitive Internet of Things cloud-based smart healthcare monitoring framework has been proposed by IoT. The framework consists of smart sensors devices that are constantly reading the movements, gestures, and facial expressions of the patient and recording them as a psychological data. In order to read and record these data, the framework used the cloud and the cognitive IoT technologies. The cognitive system is analyzing the patient's data all the time and providing the best actions in the real time. Moreover, if a critical case occurred, the cognitive system warns the medical staff through sending to the healthcare provider and contacts the smart ambulance if needed. The framework used the electroencephalogram, that means EEG, and its seizure detection cases its test bed. Accordingly, the signals coming from the IoT EEG smart sensors are sent to the smart devices such as smartphones or laptops, then they are furtherly sent to the cloud. The data are being processed by the proposed seizure detection system based on their severity. Hence, if the cognitive system detects a seizure case, a notification is sent to the appropriate stakeholders and the patient's data are sent to the deep learning model proposed by the framework. Finally, the evaluation of the system based on its detection and classification gives an accuracy of 92.2% and sensitivity of 33.5% as their results. This is the model of cognitive IoT cloud smart healthcare framework. And coming to the methodology of smart hospital management system, nowadays the customary process in the medical healthcare system is to track the patient's vital readings such as blood pressure, temperature, heart rate, and respiratory rate. These readings are considered as an indicator for the criticalness of the patient. Accordingly, the IoT technology helped so much in recording these readings without interfering the patient's daily activities. These IoT devices could be small in size and thus could be implemented in smart wearable watches, clothes, jewelry, glasses, or in the smartphones. Therefore, they can help in remote monitoring and easily accessing the patient, thus improving the healthcare time and treatment management. Moreover, the information collected by the IoT devices are easily transferred to the cloud computing mainly for storage. Accordingly, to have a reference model for building up a complete smart healthcare system, there should be a minimum requirements. Solution for the smart hospital management system. IoT has four-step architecture that are basically stages in process. All four stages are connected in a manner that data is captured and processed at one stage and yields the value to the next stage. Integrated values in the process brings institutions and deliver dynamic business prospects. First step consists of deployment of interconnected devices that includes sensors, activators, monitors, detectors, camera systems, etc. These devices collect the data. Step 2. Usually data received from sensors and other devices are in analog form, which need. Step 3. Once the data is digitized and aggregated, this is pre-processed, standardized, and moved to the data center or cloud. Final data is managed and analyzed at the required level. Advanced analytics applied to this data brings actionable business insights for effective decision making. IoT is redefining healthcare by ensuring better care, improved treatment outcomes, and reduces costs for patients and better processes and workflows, improved performance and patient experience for healthcare providers. These are the steps process for smart hospital management systems.
Hi, I am Vijay. Methods and techniques in smart hospital management system. Implement a smart hospital management system using IoT involves integrating various technologies to enhance patient care and operational efficiency. Here are some methods and techniques you can consider. IoT device and sensors, remote patient monitoring, assets tracking and management. Conclusion and future work. The medical community needed to provide with accurate information about the patient at the correct time to take a right decision. Patients can be treated during their course day work without being interrupted through using smart healthcare system. The importance of notification timing of the patient status lies in saving this patient life. It also can be helped with other healthcare activities such as image capturing and drug supervision. Thank you.